Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you up to today, Tākaro Tribe?
We're staying inside because it's raining.
Would you like to see something wonderful?
I'm Marika, Koka.
To see it, you'll have to go outside right now.
Oh, that sounds exciting. Hoki Tato, let's go. What should we be looking at, Koka?
Look above the trees. It's called a Kahukura rainbow.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Ai.
Me ētahi.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wai Arapū. You're very special.
Ngā mihi, Pā.
What are you doing, Tākaro Tribe?
Koka just showed us a kahukura rainbow.
Would you like to know about kahukura rainbows?
I'm Marika, Pāpā Rākau.
Then come and see me after you visited Kōkā.
Kāpai, let's go see Koka.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Koka. Can you tell us more about kahukura rainbows?
Kahukura is also known as an Atua Piko, or curved god. Why do you think that is?
Because his shape is curved. Piko.
Ka pai I. Kahukura has a curved shape.
Mutu. That's amazing.
Now go see Pāpā Rākau.
Ka pai, Koka.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Koka told us that kahukura has another name. It's Atua Piko.
Kōkā is right. Would you like to see where Kahukura lives?
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
Do you know how rainbows form?
How?
Let's take a look. Rainbows form when rain falls. Light from the sun hits rain droplets. The light is bent and gets split into 7 colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. But to see a rainbow, the sun must be behind you and the rain in front of you.
That's amazing, Pāpā Rākau.
Oh! Whoa!
Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe!
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
Ah, you can collect pepper, paper.
Aye.
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye.
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie huie taiki e.
Watch out for rainbows, Pooh.
Ka pai! All aboard, Tākaro Tribe! We're off!
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere!
Yay! Ina, look! I can see a rainbow.
Can you see anything else?
It's above that awa, stream, and the ngahere, forest.
Hold on, we're going down. Backpacked off so we can collect rubbish.
Hey, I've got some glass. I found an ipu kiriho, a plastic container.
That's not the right bag.
Yay! Got it right this time.
Wait! Koka just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Huh? Huh? Ka, ra, Kahukura. Kahukura.
Kahukura is the word of the day.
Tākaro Tribe? Can you see a rainbow?
Ina! It's a beautiful kahukura. Rainbow. I found my colour. Kōwhai. Yellow. Here's my colour. Whiro. Red. And here's my colour. Green.
Can you see anything else?
Yes, I can see the curved god. Atua Piko. Yay! Ugh, our hands are dirty. Let's wash them. Mātakitaki, te wareware o konu ie. Te wareware o konu ie. Te wareware o konu ie.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
You were right. We saw Kahukura. His colours curved in the distance.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Kahukura. Kahukura. Kahukura.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. I showed you a rainbow above the trees. Pāpā Rākau told you that rainbows form when light bends as it shines through drops of rain. You found a rainbow in the forest. You learned a new word. Ka-a-hu-ku-u-ra-a. Kahukura. Kahukura. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, paraihe o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro.